Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a perfect timing for the animations. Not only add an animation to the page, set the time when these animations are stepped up. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm closing this page. Then we will create the same animation. I just open a blank Canva page, go into the videos, to videos. So this is the standard video Canva in the Canva. So I just adding my element first, the picture, set as background. I added this rounded square, just moving to here, like this. And I create this border first. I just reduce the size to 2, keep it black, and go into the color, and here we can choose this no color, so this will be a transparent. Maybe this 2 is a bit too light for the border weight. Changing back to 4. First I'm just creating my page, then I will do the animations before after it. So I add the text, type in this is tropical, and just add here, selecting, changing the font to League Spartan, a bit increasing the size, like this. Moving to the middle, we can see this small purple line to help us to move into the middle. Then I go into the effects, outline, give us the white, and reduce the size to 20. And now just duplicate the text and type in paradise, and changing the font, selecting, changing the fonts first to, recently used this Amsterdam 4, then changing the font color to white, and going to the effects and changing the outline color to black, and increasing the size of this text just to fit in the frame. Might be even a bit smaller, like this. Yeah, like this. Now duplicating the page, and this one I just increase the size. We will see in the end how long do we need, but now starting with this. So this is the frame. Go into this see all, scrolling down, animate, and this one, the baseline, on enter, just slowing the speed, and from the left. But before this, I forgot to do this. So move the mouse between the two pages, add the transition, match and move, and increasing the time to the maximum. This is 2.5 seconds. I think this is the maximum what we can add. So in this case, I can see the transition will be finished here. So this animation is not start before this transition is finished. Otherwise, we will lose this animation. Now we can go to the text paradise. I will use this clarify, also reducing the speed and the movement a bit. And yeah, I can select also the tropical. That's sometimes a bit difficult to select an item behind another item, but in this case we can go to the position, then layers, and in the layers we can select easily any part, any element in the page. This one also going to the animate. I will let you use just think about which one is the best. Shift, merge, block. No, I think it was this burst. On enter only, and the intensity I'm just slowing down. I forgot to check. No, this is also on enter. That's important, just to keep these animations only on enter. That was a baseline. This is only on enter. Nice. So just going to see what is happening. I think I made a mistake. Yes. So the animations are here in the first page. And also something wrong with this animation. Baseline. Yeah. From the left. And speed is... So it's coming from the left, tropical, paradise. Nice. So I can duplicate again. So duplicate page. This one increase. Going between the two pages. Add transition, match and more. So the first element what I would like to animate is the frame. And right click on a frame and move into the show timing. And as you can see, something is wrong here. Oh yeah, I have to come to here, sorry. Not in the first page, I was on the wrong page. Now on the first page I can even remove these animations, but might be not necessary due to will be hide anyhow. But might be better to remove it. So in this purple line, this is the animation. So I can move into here. And this one still, I think I also forgot to change the speed. No, it's... Yeah, maybe just bit increasing, like to this. Okay. Now this is I have to select the tropical, means I have to wait until the frame is arriving. So starting like this, and now select the paradise. Also I can see when the tropical world is finished, so I can stop here. So I'm moving to the front of the page. The frame is arriving, then the tropical world is coming or animated, then the paradise is also. Maybe I can move it a bit in front, just to make it more smoother, yes, yes. And even bit this, I think, no. Yes. Just to perfectly match. Now it's arrived and text is coming. And now I can also move bit. Yeah, it's nice. I can go to the first page. Here, remove animation, and can I select the text, remove animation. So the topical, still I can which animation I have on tropical? Nothing. Just move to here. Okay. Just to not affecting the transition. Okay. Now these animations are nicely setted. Now I just need a normal square to the mask. I can, first of all, this one I need it in a front. Just masking the whole page, changing to black, and Ctrl C, Ctrl V if it's working, or time to time not working, and then do it again, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay. Now going to the second page and going to the transparency and reduce to 0. And now you can see what is the outcome. So this black square is going to the transparent one. Then the text, first the frame is coming, then the tropical text, then now the paradise text. And this is the way how you can set the timing on any animation, but keep in mind when you are when you have a transition between the two pages, you have to wait, you see, until the transition is really finished and start the animation after it, due to if the animation starts here, maybe this black transition is still going, so half of the animation might be hidden by this black square. So this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.